Okay. I guess it's time to wake up. Hi, Amma. Good morning. Hi, good morning, Mutasha.
Hi.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back. My name is Swati and this is a day in my life in Kerala. So I'm at my parents in Kerala and you guys requested for this video on Instagram. So I thought let's vlog it. And yeah, there's no plan that I have for today. So we'll just wing it. And with that, let's start with today's day. Let's start with a drink. So this is just some regular water with coriander, fenugreek and cumin seeds. So I'm going to start my day with this drink and I'm also going to make my to-do list right now. I usually do this on my iPad, but here I don't have it, so I'm just going to make it on my phone. I feel like this is the most crucial part of my day where I have to, plan my day. Today there's nothing as such, but let's just make one. Get some workout done. I've been working out now regularly since the past 2-3 months. Some of you guys noticed on my Instagram that I've lost some weight, which I have. But the whole point is I'm getting fitter and I'm feeling so good about it. Since COVID happened, fitness and workout is something that's taken a backseat for me because if I'm being completely honest, I had this mental block that I can do my workout only in the gym. I have to run, I have to, lift some weights. So that was my whole mindset. And because of that, I just kept telling myself that I don't like home workouts. And for the longest time, I just didn't do anything, and slowly I started gaining weight and feeling quite unfit. So that's when I realized that I can't go like this and I can't wait for COVID to be over and gyms to open. I started doing home workouts and I love it now. So I just feel like it was a mental block, and realizing this has been like an epiphany for me. I love it. I follow Chloe Ting for the workouts, and if you are into fitness and if you watch YouTube, then I'm sure you've come across her profile. It's amazing. She's amazing. And I'm doing the summer shred program. I've already completed 2 of her programs and this is the 3rd one that I'm doing. So now, without talking a lot, let's get started with the workout. With my workout. Today's workout was long and intense. I am so exhausted. I think I'm going to reward myself with a bubble bath and then go and get some lunch. I am super hungry actually. Time for some reward meal. Usually we all have lunch together, but today I got really late, so it's just me and mom, and we have some really delicious home food, South Indian Kerala meal. So we have some toran, rice, and my favorite fish curry. This is tuna fish. It is my absolute favorite. The last time when I was here, I showed you guys around. I showed you guys my dad's kitchen garden, and I think I did a pretty bad job at it. This time my parents are here. Actually, they're now going to be staying here. My dad's retired from the army. So now they've moved to this place and the garden is a whole lot better. They have a lot of other things and they're here. So they will explain everything and this should be interesting. Hello. And that's my dad.
Hello, hi.
So this is my dad for the first time on my channel. You've not been on my channel, Dad.
It's my first time. You have not introduced me so far, Swati.
It's me. Okay. So
Yeah.
my dad was in the army, and he always had this thing that if you are in the army, you should not be on social media, and hence he was very reluctant to come on my channel. Now that he's retired, he's all good. And can you show me around?
Why not? So come, we'll start from here. So here we have 6 hen and 1 rooster. I'll show you around. So this is the organic egg.
Ooh.
So this fencing, they can come out and roam around without the fear of algar.
Okay. Let's open him, na daddy. Algar, he's, I think, sad.
Just open it. No issue. Algar, come out. Come on.
Okay. Okay, baby, okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is our curry leaves. It's a huge plant and we distribute it to our neighbors also. This chili plant.
Chilies.
Yeah.
It's white.
Yeah, it's white in color and you see the shape also. And I bought this plant from the University of Kerala, Agriculture University, Kerala, Mannuthi. This is another special type of plant. I don't know the actual name of this plant. It's a variety of tamarind.
So, what is it called in Malayalam?
It's called Pachapuli, Silimbi Puli or something like that.
It's a local food.
It's a very local. Brinjal.
Nice.
This is another.
Oh, this is long.
Yeah. So this is a special variety of brinjal. You see this? In Malayalam, we call it Nitya Vardhananya and very special for Medikku variety. This is elephant fruit plant. And this is turmeric. These turmeric plants, last time you referred it as ginger. This is actually turmeric and I will show you ginger now. Yeah, this is the ginger plant and this turmeric and ginger, both are the same species. But the only difference is in the size of leaf.
The last time I made this video, in fact, a lot of you guys had mentioned this, that I said ginger is turmeric and turmeric is ginger. So now I think that is solved.
So in addition to this, we have regulars like coconut, jackfruit, guava, tapioca and a variety of banana trees. So this is basically a passion project only, not a big farming or not so elaborate. But I used to, when in army, I used to run 5 kilometers a day. All these plants and vegetables keep me busy, especially I spend near about 1 to 2 hours early in the morning hours. It keeps me busy and moreover, we will get organic fruits and vegetables without any pesticide. And it is good for our health also. And it's eco-friendly. So Swati, all these things you can just see, we are little bit self-sustaining nowadays. So all these vegetable, fruits, eggs, and in addition to that, you know, we are producing our own electricity here. So see my solar plant. So this plant is capable to produce 6 kilowatt of electricity in a day. So I have established 13 solar panels on grid and 2 panel for 1 kV in the off-grid system. So show the meter and other thing. Come.
I don't know if you're interested in this, guys, but my dad seems to be very excited.
So this is the power conversion center. So from the solar panel, the direct current will come here. So this machine will convert it into from DC to AC. And the power will go to Kerala State Electricity Board grid. So you know in Kerala, power load shedding is a regular problem, power shortcuts. So this solar project is an eco-friendly affair.
And guess what? We have a peacock that visits this house almost every day. I think it's because my mom feeds him. Yeah, it's so cool. Check this out. sitting down to get some work done. I feel like my productivity in terms of work has been super low since I came to Kerala and Bangalore. I haven't uploaded a video in like the longest time and it is starting to bother me. Right now I'm editing the Basta video. I'm sure this will be uploaded before this video goes live. But anyways, this is the time where I'm really struggling to get some work done. It's been a while now since I vlogged already because today we have a family get together. So around this area where we live, a lot of my mom's relatives also live. So a lot of cousins, aunts and uncles, and I haven't seen them in a really long time. So pretty excited for it. My uncles. So that's my cousin Jevin. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this random day in my life in Kerala. If you liked it, then please give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you all very soon with another video. Right now, I have to leave for Nasik. So I'll see you all very soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.